This is a review of the 3 slides we looked at in class last night that were difficult to project. So I'm creating a basic video to show Eden der Hund, inside the house, so im Haus. Eden ist im Haus und aus dem Haus ist die Katze. Die Katze heißt George. Auf der rechten Seite sieht man Eden auf dem Teppich und Eden trägt ein Hemd. Das Hemd ist grün und das Hemd ist für eine Fußballmannschaft. So all of that was Eden is on the right on the carpet. Eden is wearing a shirt. The shirt is green and it's for a football team. If you want to hear it once again, just review. Hier ist Eden auf einem blauen Liegestuhl im Park. Sie ist ruhig, man sieht, wie zufrieden sie ist, dass sie mit uns kommen durfte. Ja, Eden, du darfst. Finally, we have a picture of Eden. Yeah, I was trying to describe her as looking a little older. So here's the German. In diesem Foto sieht mein Hund etwas älter aus. This is the comparative form, alt and älter. I do need to introduce, using the pen here, 2 red dots. I'll put them in red dots above älter. That should be the umlaut, as well as over the next case where I couldn't type that in, während. Let me read the second sentence, which is longer. Weil sie oft während des Tages zu Hause bleiben muss, ist das Leben etwas langweilig. Because she needs to stay at home often during the day, so often is clearly there early in the sentence as a time expression, and the place is at home, zu Hause, with a modal verb müssen, translated as sie muss. I'm sorry, conjugated, not translated. Conjugated as sie muss zu Hause bleiben. And the last phrase, ist das Leben etwas langweilig? So the interesting thing about this sentence with regard to word order is that ist is in second position after a longer dependent clause. Now, this is also something that you'll notice in your readings. When you have a dependent clause beginning with because, such as here, weil, because she often has to stay home during the day, life is somewhat boring. Langweilig means boring. That's how she looks there. Come on, Eden, smile. Hope you enjoyed this.